Hi, I'm starting with my easy hacks for non-toxic cleaning in the home, and I'm in my guest bathroom downstairs, and I'm going to show you right now such an easy way to clean the sink. I've been using Castile soap and non-toxic cleaners for a while, but then my sink gets this kind of weird gunk like this. But I love Young's Living's Thieves Household Cleaner, 1 capful in this 2 to 3 cup spray bottle. So this is what I do. It's super easy. I get baking soda. It's kind of like a scrub. Oops, I think I forgot my scrub brush. And then I spray some of this, or actually I spray this first. Then I get my scrub brush. I'm going to take you in my kitchen to go get that because I forgot it. Here's some of the other things I'm going to be showing, hacks with Young Living. And back into my bathroom. Okay. It doesn't really matter how much you use, but it gets so sparkly. I think I put too much baking soda, but that's okay. It gets so sparkly clean, and it's fast and easy. So if there's like extra gunky stuff that just doesn't seem like it gets off so easily, there we go. Thieves spray and baking soda. It's looking good, shining and sparkling. So I keep baking soda underneath all of the sinks, or bathroom sinks, because Thieves and baking soda is really my go-to for everything. Maybe a little vinegar. All right, there you go.